Laminated them, but yeah, here's the moon in the daytime. Again, here, this bit here should be pitch black if it was in deep space, 250,000 odd miles away. Yeah. There's another picture of it, and this is where I'm saying it's the North Pole. If this thing's transparent and the sun's, this could be the South Pole around the back. I don't know. Another one in the daytime. Again, you can see this is should be all black, but it's not. Again, I've made notes of times and dates. You can have a look at there. Again, that was the one I showed you last night with the little flicks of stars and stuff. Right. Just a quick sight. This is Jupiter. I'm just showing you how the moons line up there, and they move every night. These squares are moving and whatnot. Anyway, out of the way. I'm saying this is Earth, okay, but it's obviously flat, so it looks opaque because it's in a dome. But I did have a video where I was saying, if we're spinning, we could well be on a kind of pyramid thing here, and it obviously changes its angle of tilt different seasons, and this was just me sort of saying, and we have equal days and nights, we may line directly up, but this is, I don't know if I'm right, but I'm just referring to that as being the North Pole where the Northern Lights are. I've just highlighted it there, but if you examine it yourself, pause it, have a look at it. It's not a great, I'm just trying to say this is our world, but look at the rest of it. You see what I mean? And this, the world isn't. It would be a flat. It'd be flat, yeah. It just looks like this because it's it's being reflected on the underside of a dome, but it's ginormous. The Antarctic Treaty, is it? The boats are going around here to stop us going off and seeing the rest of our world. It's ours by birthright. You begin to wonder. But anyway, it's not to detail. It's not accurate. It's just me giving you how I'm sort of seeing. That they look like in Africa and America and Asia, and then this could be China. Just giving you a rough idea. This isn't. But I'm no artist, as you can see. But and all the other white bits. As I explained, it will be sea. And imagine, as I say, it's flat. Just it looks. And if you spin it fast enough, anything square spun fast enough will appear like a circle. Anyway, I'm just rushing these because I am having our annual holiday coming up, and we've got grass to cut and all that jazz and hoovering and all whatnot. But I'm just sharing what I'm seeing. It might not be apparent, when you first glance at it. But the Truman Show. There's been loads of them lately about escaping out of a caged environment, Maze Runner and all these type films, but they've kept us here, and this is the rest of the world. Exactly, yeah. Anyway, like I say, I'm just sharing. There it is. So that's our world encapsulated, and if to see the flat Earth map, look up at the sky on a full moon. Beware the moon. They always keep telling us to be scared of it. Werewolves, all through the time they've put us off looking at it and really studying it, and because of Patrick Moores and all the weirdos that they've had doing it. But anyway, yeah, there it is. That's just what I'm seeing. This is where, when I'm saying we've been lied to and what the whole flat Earth movement was about hiding where we live. Clearly, So that means there's infinite food, infinite resources. We shouldn't be starving. We should have nice big houses with plenty of land, and just live in harmony and peace. And whoever built this thing, our creator created it big enough for a massive population to expand, because they built this thing and it's ginormous. Anyway, there's just some thoughts.